This is the northeast elevator at the Eagle Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is the 4K 30 frames take. This will be the final ride, because these elevators are getting modernized by Konica, which has its 140 fixtures with MRL on the shaft equipment. So that being said, let's take a final ride. So here we go. Here it comes. Jump on 4. And here it is. Alright. Let's go to 5. Instant doors are closed. Here we go. This is from the 1950s. Here, 5. Let's go right down the street. The fixtures, black buttons. There's no door close button, just in the pass button. Fornicator above the doors. Westinghouse. Here we are at the street level or the ground floor. Alright, and that's it.